Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's tutorial we are going to see how to create an account on Hotmail. So for that we just need to have Outlook installed on our phone because all the mailing services of Microsoft has been rebranded to Outlook. So we just need to go to Outlook and we'll be navigated to the homepage of Outlook, or we can say Hotmail. So it says add an account and create a new account. So today's tutorial is all about creating a new account. So we just need to tap on create a new account. So we'll be directed to the home page of the account page and we can write our username here. So I'll be writing my username over here. So we can see a drop down over here. It says Hotmail and outlook.com. So we are creating an account in Hotmail. So we'll tap on Hotmail and tap on next. So it is asking to create a password, so we'll be giving our password. Okay, and after that we can tap on next. So it asks our first name, so we can write our first name and last name and tap on next. So it says about our country and we can tap on our country and date of birth and year. So and tap on next. It is in the process of being creating our account in Hotmail. So it says to solve the puzzle for identifying or authentication purpose. So pick one square that shows the two identical objects. So we can pick one square and it might take a bit second. So we can wait till that. So authentication process is in progress. It will authenticate our account. And would you like to add another account? So we can tap on maybe later and it will start syncing with your private settings. So we can tap over next and accept continue to Outlook. We are all done and we can use our Hotmail services. This is it for today. Please do like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.